Welcome back. If you're new to this channel, my name is Raquel Joy. I am a professional beautician, but also I made beauty to be a hobby. Beauty is a hobby for me. It's a therapy. Are you looking for ways on how you can have a very nice glowing skin? You want to have a baby skin? Are you having problems that you have hyperpigmentation, you have dark spots, all those kind of problems? Are you having acne? Are you having like itchy skin? Raquel Joy has your answer. I learned this, but I also have experience with beauty. So please do not forget to subscribe on my channel if you don't want to miss out on the very other coming new videos. And if you do find this video interesting, please do me a favor, like, share, and leave a comment down below. Raquel Joy, your girl, will be giving you more tips. And as we talk, drink a lot of water, and that's it. Welcome guys on my channel.